She got out of the cage. Now she's trying to see if she can. Well, I don't know what she's doing. She gonna jump or what? What are you gonna do? Jump? Come on. What are you looking at? You're gonna go back inside? I might need to get a ladder for her to go in and out. The thing is, she's not used. She doesn't know how to navigate things yet. She's still learning. Look at her. I don't know what she's trying to do. Where are you going? Come here. Yeah, this way. Don't go that way. This way. Oh. If I go over there, she might be scared of me and just... Oh, what are you gonna do? I'm just letting her do it on her own, so that way she can learn. What are you gonna do? Come out. Jump. Yeah, jump. Go. Go, Mellow. You can do it. Why do I have that hanger up there? Weird. Go, Mellow. Come on, jump. Come here. This way. There you go. Yeah, come here. Jump. She's scared. Jump. Yeah. You scared? Want me to help you? Yeah? I don't know. You can go back in now. She might. Are you just gonna sit there? Come on. Well, what are you gonna do? I've tried helping her before, she doesn't want to. You're just gonna sit there now?